If you are looking for a great money counter for bills, I do a lot of selling on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to walk you through everything you could possibly want to know about this, all the different features. I've had about 3 or 4 different ones of these. I've definitely sold on Facebook Marketplace before, and it is just so much easier to run everything through a counter just like this and answer all the questions you could possibly have. It does come in this box right over here, kind of on the DL, which I like. It's just a plain white box. Maybe you don't want people to know that you're getting a money counter. So that's not, so we got a bunch of cash over here. This does detect counterfeit bills. Someone actually gave this to me on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm going to show you how everything works. So you could do about 1,000 to 1,200 bills every minute. You can do about 200 different bills at a time. So we got a side screen right over here. It literally just plugs in right back here. So you'll have a USB drive right over here. That's just for any updates. This is your on off. This does connect to a printer. So you'd have to buy that separately, but that is an option. And then this is the plug. Right out of the box, it comes ready to rock and roll. You don't have to worry about anything like that. And what I like about this is you got the counter right over here, which is going to give you pieces in total. We got another counter over here, and then we got one on the side as well. So you could see from all different angles what you're doing. You could do up to 120 different currencies. One of my favorite parts about this is you'll see here, so is it accurate? So if you wanted to clear that screen, you have some different options here. So right now, it's on auto. So if you wanted to change that, you just go up like this and move it over and hit add and then take that away. And now when I put the bills up here, it's not gonna work. I have to hit start. So if you don't want it to go automatically, you could do that and it's gonna rifle through right over there. So that is something to note. I like to just keep it on auto just because it's just easier for me, and get rid of that add button right over here. In terms of a menu, they just kind of have some different options. Nothing really to kind of look into over here. You have the currency over here, so I'm just going to hit escape on there. If you want to kind of clear this total out, all you have to do is hit escape. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're also going to put this bill in here as well. And I'm going to put this one at the end. So I'm going to show you what happens here. So it says right over here, we got a UV suspect. So that basically means it's saying, hey, there's something wrong with this bill. So it can detect that as well, which I really appreciate. And you'll see we got 200 over here, and it ran 10 bills. All right, so one of the coolest things about this is you could run different bills at different times. So we got the 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30. So you could put these bills wherever you want. You could mix them up, you could put them wherever, and it should count 230. So let's see if they did that. So we're gonna run that just like that, let it go. We got 230 here, and this was all in different different ones as well. I've had ones in the past where you have to kind of select what bill you're running through, which is kind of annoying. So you don't have to worry about it with that. So if you just had a whole stack of cash, you could literally just run it all through just like that. I'm gonna run a bigger stack through for you. So this is a good chunk of bills right over here, and then you could kind of see how it just rifles through. So it literally just ran 40 bills right over there. You could do, it says up to 200 at a time. So you could just keep that in mind. So another cool part about this is you could select different modes on here. You could do SDC, MDC. So MDC is kind of where we're at, where you're putting any bill amount through. So you don't have to worry about that. And we're going to do a couple of things in a second. You'll see here we got a nice, easy to use instruction guide that walks you through everything. Another feature that's cool is the batch feature right over here. So let's just say you wanted to kind of organize the money. You're going to put a money band around it for whatever reason. What you could do here is you could change. So let's just say I wanted just $20 bills, and I could put that in the batch. So I'm just going to go up just like this. You can see right over here, we got 20 selected right over there. So what we're gonna do is put these right in here, just like that. Now that we have that done, so it counted 20 out just like that. And then there's only 15 in here. So we feed some more in here. It would just kind of continue where it left it off. So that's a really nice feature too. If you're trying to, make stacks of 1,000, or you're just trying to organize the money, makes it super easy to do. I do also like the fact you do not need to run this at all. So this piece right over here is kind of just the side counter piece right over here, and you have the legs right over here, which is really nice, and you don't have to worry about that. Another funny thing you could do here is it doesn't matter which way these go in. So even if you wanted to put them backwards, they run through backwards. It just has a really nice detection. If you want to get rid of that batch mode, I kind of forgot batch mode was on. You're just going to go back to batch mode, and then you could just turn this off. Or you could, and now it's off, and then you could just hit the escape button right over here. And then the nice part about this too is this side does light up. So no matter what you're kind of doing or whatever, you could see it from either side. Sometimes this will get jammed up, or it's still in batch mode rather. I forgot I kept that in batch mode. So you don't have to worry about that. This does go through 99% accurate. You will notice kind of sometimes a little snag if you, let me turn this off. So we're gonna do off, and then you have to hit the start button. So now you can see batches off. One of the nice things about this is if it does get kind of stuck, like when this counterfeit bill goes through, it will stop. Sometimes you got to start again, but I do like the fact that it keeps a running total, so you don't have to worry about anything. So it's at 60. So if you just wanted to take this out, some other machines you gotta add, you gotta take note of that. So it just keeps a running tally for you as well, which is a nice feature, and that I really appreciate. So if you're looking for a great money counter, that's easy to use, comes right out of the box. You could do a whole bunch of denominations. It's in a discrete box. Come packaged really nicely. We got counters on all the different sides over here. It comes with a brush right over here, so you can brush your machine off. And the other thing it does come with, which I really appreciate, is actually it comes with a cover, which I'll grab for you. So you don't have to worry about any dust getting in your machine at all. You literally have this nice little cover here. You can cover it up just like that. So if you're in your office too, and maybe you don't want people to know you have this or whatever, you could just kind of put the cover over it. And another nice part over here, of course, we got the legs down over here, which makes it super easy. You don't have to worry about this kind of messing with your surface or anything like that. So if you're in a market for a great bill counter that could do 1,000 to 1,200 bills in under a minute, and you could run 200 different ones, you could throw different denominations in, you could run it backwards. It doesn't really matter what you do. This thing is just absolutely amazing. I hope you found this video helpful and you get the right money counter for you. Huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review for you.